Okay, so in the last video tutorial, we looked at how we were going to get a list of all the installations for the campervans, and we did that, and we made sure that we saw a list of campervans even if they hadn't had any installations, because they need to be there because they haven't had an upgrade in the last 4 years either. Now that we've got that, we also need to see the equipment, so we're going to create a query that joins this query with the equipment. So we'll create the query in design view, and we will use the query that we've just created, installations for upgrade report, and we will use the table equipment. And you see it's already found our join, so we need to decide what data is going to go on there. So certainly the campervan ID and registration we need. We also need to look at the install date, the type, whether or not it was chargeable, and then we've got the description of the equipment, what the standard was and what the category was. Let's have a look at what that's looking like so far. And as you can see, again, we have lost those campervans that hadn't had any installations, and that's to do with the join type. So we need to do exactly the same as before, where we say that we want to include all records from the installations for upgrade report, not just those where we've got joined fields that match. So now when we have a look, it's now including all of the records, and we can see all of the equipment. And we've now done this, the list with the names of the equipment that have been installed. So we've got all of our data, we're ready to create a report. So before we do, we just need to save this, and I'm going to call this equipment for upgraded report. And the next video tutorial will talk you through creating a report.